We're here today for something really important and exciting at Great Yarmouth and across Norfolk, because we've got the groundbreaking for our electrification work. We're getting 10 electric buses for Great Yarmouth that are going to be on the road from May-June time of 2026, and that's because of a £13.8 million investment from both First Bus and Norfolk County Council. The buses are going to be on route number 8, and that goes between Caister, Great Yarmouth Town Centre, Galston and James Paget Hospital, so lots of really good links for people to make.
This is the first time we've had electric buses here in Great Yarmouth. It means that we're going to have nice quiet buses going through the towns, the air quality will improve, and hopefully in the future we'll get some more of these great buses here.
These 10 buses that are coming to Great Yarmouth are in addition to the 76 that we've already got from Norwich and operate across different parts of Norfolk. We're also getting another 14 electric buses later in the year for Norwich to operate on some services that go to places such as Mulbarton and Ives Road. So this is a really exciting day for us, working in partnership with Norfolk County Council, and it's the start of a 12-week programme of work to get electrical infrastructure into our Great Yarmouth depot, a depot that's been here since 1903, and make that the electric future for the depot.
It's one of those things that we didn't expect to get in Great Yarmouth quite so early on, but thank you very much to First Bus and Norfolk County Council for making it happen.